www.train2invest.com. What is self-directed investing? It is the buying and selling of shares directly from the stock exchanges through an online broker. Self-directed investors are willing to make choices on their own, but also know how to use resources to make those choices. How do you become a self-directed investor? Normal questions, challenges, and excuses that come up with novice, first-time investors include: where do I start? I only have a grade 12 education. It was a long time ago since I studied anything. I am not computer savvy. I wasn't good at math in school. I don't have the time. And so, the lists go on and on. But in reality, individuals are fearful when change is required and pay a price for complacency. Knowledge will forever govern ignorance. James Madison. The typical mindset of the average person is that people who really uninterested in whether they leave an inheritance to their children or not. A major difference exists between the poor and the powerful, the poor and the prosperous fear. Check out www.train2invest.com.